This is a long process. Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Alex, and welcome to the Zarosports Foundation Station. We created this program to give you the tools and the know-how to prepare you for a lifelong process of maintaining a healthy body through strength training and nutrition. You might already know this, but it's worth mentioning. The journey of building a better body goes much further than just hitting up an intense workout in the gym. There are a lot of other smaller intangible things that must happen in order for us to see progress and eventually get to the results that we're looking for. Many of these intangibles sound easy when said, however, they're much harder in practice and require nothing more than time in order to build them into habits of our routines. So let's go through some of these steps. So the first topic that we're talking about is preparation. It comes in many forms. We must prepare physically by letting our bodies rest, a topic that we'll get into later in this course. We must prepare mentally for challenges that we'll be facing, and finally, we must be prepared with our nutrition. This means being well-versed with our food tracking software and apps, and also making sure that we have food readily available to eat so we're not stuck every day thinking what to eat every couple of hours, further depleting our willpower and effectively leading to decision fatigue. So let's take the time during the week to set ourselves up for success by being prepared to tackle the week ahead. There are a few different methods of food preparation. You can go the route of preparing every single day in the morning, once a week, perhaps on Sundays, or the route of preparing twice per week, which is what I recommend if most of you are actively preparing your food. Secondly, we're talking motivation. Realizing that motivation will not always be there, and it's important to our success. We must still do the things that we have to do in order to get to where we want to be. I'm sure you don't wake up in the morning every day with a burning desire to go to work, but you still do it because ultimately you need to be able to provide maybe not only for yourself, but also for your family. Okay, I get it. So how do you stay motivated if you don't see results right away? Some of us may not see results right away. Every person is different. Some may have trained physically for some time and just need the time to put together other components. Some may be completely new beginners. So a way to stay motivated is checking in on a weekly basis, and other forms of success are those habits that we'll be building in the initial stages. So remember, there's plenty to celebrate beyond just the way that you look to keep you accountable. So we're talking accountability. How do you stay accountable? As mentioned earlier with your check-ins, our coaches will help you check in and stay on track towards your goals. So there's a common belief, and it's probably due to marketing, that we the consumers believe that radical changes can happen in 12 weeks. Now for some, this may be possible. However, for a completely new beginner who is trying to get into shape, this will be highly unlikely. So you can join with a friend to keep you dialed in. We have group offerings and discounts available if you want to bring a friend along for the challenge. Just remember that they should be just as motivated, inspired, and ready to work as you are. So really think it through, because sometimes it may just be best to get started on your own. Friends may actually slow you down. Next, we're talking discipline, following through with what you said you were going to do. If it were easy to build the physique of your dreams, then obesity wouldn't exist in the world. Unfortunately, people fall under this false veil of comfort. The world is survival of the fittest. Are you ready to do what it takes under any circumstance? If you stick to the game plan accordingly, you will reap all the rewards and benefits. Rome was not built in a day. So, science drives the results. We are not randomly working out. We are not randomly eating whatever we please. This is proven stuff here. You must trust the process. The goal is to set yourself up as an individual who can take care of themselves health-wise and knowledgeable about nutrition and fitness for the rest of your life. Since the days of Arnold Schwarzenegger, fitness has come a long way, but it's essentially remained untouched and the same. So here's some of the things you're going to need. A food scale to be able to calculate your macros, active sport gear, basically your workout gear, your shorts, your shirts, your shoes, allocated time for exercise, and a willingness to learn. You will build confidence like never before. Check out some of our testimonials. All right, guys, so let's join a community of others who form themselves for the better. You are a diamond in the rough, so brush off the dirt, make yourself shine. For each of these clients, it was a long process. It won't take 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. This will be a lifetime change beneficial to you. So let's get started.